Mistake number 4, not firing soon enough. Dahil loyal nga, wala naman siyang ginagawang hindi maganda sa company, maganda naman ang behavior, kaya lang underperformer, kaya lang inefficient. You are setting them up for failure because this person could have flourished somewhere else. Baka hindi sila nag-flourish sa inyo. They need a different environment. And you have to respect that people really come and go. This is one of the Harvard Business Review for research. They found that the top performer is 400% more productive than an average one. And an A player does the work of 4 average employees. And here's the part that should scare you. When your best people see you tolerate underperformance, nakikita ng iba, they would leave. That's a guarantee. That's why, as leaders, you have to set a culture of excellence. How do I fix this? 30, 60, 90. We have to do the one-on-one with our team members. This is the only way you can get the feedback across. And if there's two-way feedback, yan ang pinaka-effective na way for you to get the message across to your people. There has to be a mandatory honest check-in at day 30, and be honest with yourself. It's easy to say na, oh, this is what you should do, but is that really realistic?